Hey, little lady. Welcome to my diner again. Alright.
Where's my lunch?
Today is chicken and veggies.
Yeah.
Woo!
Alright. Veggies are good for you. The girls are eating too.
Here's the phone.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why. Who called you?
Anthony, Joanne, Robert, Mercy and Miguel, Sherry, Rosemary, my niece, and sometimes Jamie.
They all call you, check up on you?
Yep,
Oh, sweet of them.
yep.
So what do you got planned today?
We're going shopping.
In the heat?
Yep,
Are you down for that or what?
yep. We gotta go check out the stores.
And you're the boss, huh?
Yep.
Keep pushing, little fighter. That's a good one. That's funny.
It sure is. I'm a fighter. First, I gotta eat before I go anywhere. I like my veggies more.
I know you always give the dogs the chicken.
I eat some, but I'm not too much for any kind of meat. Chicken, none of that stuff. Only fish. And taquitos. And burgers. You want some, girls?
Is that your pajama top?
Yeah. I'm still in my pajamas. I just got up. Because the guy was... Yeah, because the guy was
Oh,
here.
you just came from your room. You've been up since 8 o'clock when I fed you breakfast.
Okay, but the guy was in here.
Yeah, they're fixing the AC.
I
You fixed
come
it.
in. Couldn't have my coffee, so I'm drinking a soda now. Here, Lita.
You love coffee, huh?
Yes, I do.
You're a tweaker?
No, I just gives me energy.
That's what crack does to the crackheads, and the tweak does that for the tweakers.
Well, I don't know what that is.
But it
Coffee?
gives them energy.
Coffee keeps me awake. Sometimes I get sleepy, so. But even with the coffee, I still fall asleep. So it doesn't make no difference.
They already ate their bacon.
Now they're eating
Oh, look,
chicken.
she almost bit your hand.
Yeah, she does. She jumps up.
That's why you gotta let it drop in their mouth.
Not
Especially
me,
her. Man, don't. Oh, baby ate it all.
Wait, Lita.
You snooze, you lose, Lita.
Here, Lita.
Say something for yourself.
Here, Lita.
All right, I'll let you enjoy your food.
All right.
Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
We all love you, Mom.
Thank you. Love you guys too.